2021 Lincoln MKZ Hybrid redesign, price and release date. Many rumors have been smoked about the next generation of the MKZ series. Many people speculated about it and 2021 Lincoln MKZ, whether it will be under construction or not. But, as the company, Ford does not give any official statement about the series, then there is still a chance that it will be reproduced. The next reproduction of this car will probably feature with something new. 2021 Lincoln MKZ design changes. Following to the unreleased 2019 Lincoln MKZ, the new 2021 model will likely get new design. The bold design will show the character more. This sedan car with bolder look will make it stunning more. The platform may use the full-size model with better size in the range model. Some news probably says that this car will not be any longer in the market nor get any development. However, the coming out of 2021 Lincoln MKZ is possibly by looking at the fact that this car series shows great selling rating in the market. What makes it probably new, despite on the design, is the engine system. The powertrain will likely use the new developed model. One interesting fact about this car is the fact this car may be built in different platform. Those are front, rear, and all-wheel drive. 2021 Lincoln MKZ specifications. From the design, it is clear that there will be some new adjustment in both exterior and interior. This will be happen the same with 2021 Lincoln MKX. The new design can show something significant about this car, just like the engine system. The powertrain will be upgraded than what is used currently, like 2.0L turbocharged with L04 engine. However, this is not the official statement. It means there is still chance for the turbocharged to be changed with something that is higher. The transmission will also different than the current model. It probably doesn't use 6-speed type. But, it will still use the automatic system with select shift technology system. Then, there is still paddle shifter as well. This car probably releases the hybrid version as this model is demanded by people. Despite of the different engine system that will be adjusted, this 2021 Lincoln MKZ will use the similar handling for the standard version, like the advanced track with electronic stability control or ESC. Then, there is EPAS or electric power assisted steering as well. Then, the last one is the CCD or the continuously controlled damping.